Cooking at home can be fun, but let's be real, sometimes it feels like a chore when you don't have the right tools. That's where these 50 must-have kitchen gadgets come in. From clever time savers to space-saving designs, these smart finds are changing the way people cook and organize their kitchens. We're diving into the best Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll wish you discovered sooner. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll find the kitchen gadgets on Amazon that turn everyday cooking into pure convenience. Number 1. Professional Digital Meat Thermometer. This digital meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Just stick it in and get an instant, accurate reading, making sure your steak, chicken, or roast comes out perfectly every time. It's a total must-have if you've ever overcooked a meal and wished you had a reliable way to check doneness. You'll love how it keeps your food juicy and safe. Compact, fast, and super easy to use. It's the perfect tool for both beginner cooks and pros. Number 2. Chefman Electric Kettle with Temp Control. This electric kettle isn't just for boiling water. It lets you set the exact temperature for tea, coffee, or hot cocoa. With precise controls, you'll never scorch delicate green tea or underheat your French press again. It's a game changer for anyone who loves a perfect hot drink. You'll wish you had it sooner when every sip tastes just right. Sleek, quick, and efficient, it's a must-have addition to your kitchen counter. Number 3. Bonson Kitchen 4-in-1 Immersion Blender. This handheld immersion blender makes soups, smoothies, sauces, and more with zero fuss. It blends right in your pot or glass, so cleanup is super easy. It's a must-have if you're tired of dragging out a bulky blender for small jobs. You'll love how quick and smooth everything turns out. With multiple attachments, it's like having 4 gadgets in one, convenient and versatile. Number 4. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Electric Food Processor Chopper. This compact food processor handles chopping, slicing, and mincing in seconds. Just press the button and your onions, veggies, or nuts are ready to go. It's a total time saver and you'll wish you grabbed it sooner, especially when you see how fast it tackles meal prep. Small but powerful, it's perfect for quick jobs that don't require a giant food processor. Number 5. Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Oven. This air fryer oven is big, versatile, and stylish with its French door design. It fries, bakes, roasts, and toasts, all with less oil for healthier meals. It's a must-have if you want crispy results without the guilt. You'll love how it replaces multiple appliances in one. With roomy capacity and preset functions, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves to cook smart. Number 6. Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer 8.5 This stand mixer brings bakery-level mixing power right into your kitchen. Whip doughs, batters, and creams with ease in its large 8.5-quart bowl. It's a total game-changer if you've struggled with small mixers. You'll wish you upgraded sooner when bread and cakes come out fluffy and smooth. Stylish, durable, and built for everyday use, it's a true kitchen powerhouse. Number 7. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 One-Touch Coffee Grinder. This coffee grinder delivers fresh grounds at the touch of a button. Just fill, press, and enjoy the aroma of freshly ground beans. It's a must-have for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality flavor at home. You'll never go back to pre-ground coffee once you taste the difference. Compact, powerful, and easy to clean, it's the perfect daily ritual upgrade. Number 8. Utopia Kitchen Stainless Steel French Press. This French press brews rich, bold coffee with ease. Just add coffee, pour hot water, press, and enjoy. It's a must-have if you love strong, smooth coffee without the fuss of machines. You'll wish you tried it sooner when every morning feels like a cafe moment. Durable, sleek, and affordable, it's a classic tool that never disappoints. Number 9. Simple Taste 4-in-1 Milk Frother Steamer. This milk frother turns regular milk into silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, or hot cocoa in seconds. It can froth, steam, or heat, all with one device. It's a total game changer for at-home baristas. You'll love how cafe-style drinks become part of your daily routine. Compact and easy to clean, it's the perfect companion for coffee lovers. Number 10. Cold Brew Coffee Maker Mason Jar Pitcher. This cold brew maker is as simple as it is effective. Just add coffee, let it steep, and wake up to smooth, rich cold brew in a mason jar pitcher. It's a must-have if you spend too much money at coffee shops. You'll wish you started sooner when your fridge is stocked with delicious homemade cold brew. Affordable, durable, and stylish, it's a perfect gift idea for coffee fans. Number 11. Hudson Essentials Measuring Cups and Spoons. This stainless steel measuring cups and spoons set keeps your baking and cooking precise. Each piece is clearly marked, so you never have to second-guess your measurements again. It's a must-have for anyone who loves consistency in the kitchen. You'll wish you had them sooner when recipes turn out perfect every single time. Durable, dishwasher safe, and built to last, this set is a kitchen essential you'll reach for daily. Number 12. 𝗧𝗛𝗧𝗘 Adjustable Wood Rolling Pin. This adjustable rolling pin makes dough prep a breeze with removable rings to control thickness. Whether it's cookies, pizza dough, or pie crust, your results come out evenly every time. It's a total game changer if you've ever struggled with uneven baking. You'll love the professional finish it brings to homemade treats. Crafted from durable wood, it looks great and works like a pro tool. Number 13. Bamboo Cutting Board with Juice Grooves. This bamboo cutting board is large, sturdy, and designed with juice grooves to keep counters clean. Chop meats, veggies, or fruit without worrying about mess. It's a must-have for neat and efficient prep. You'll wish you swapped your old plastic board for this elegant, eco-friendly option. Durable, easy to clean, and naturally beautiful, it's as stylish as it is functional. Number 14. Ceramic Knife. Set with sheath 9PCS. This 9-piece ceramic knife set delivers sharp, lightweight blades for precision slicing. Each knife comes with a protective sheath for safe storage. It's a must-have for everyday cooking. You'll love how effortlessly these knives glide through veggies, fruits, and meats. With colorful handles and razor-sharp edges, this set is both practical and eye-catching. Number 15. Magnetic Knife Strip Wall Holder. This magnetic knife strip frees up counter space and keeps knives organized and easy to grab. Strong magnets hold everything securely, from chef's knives to scissors. It's a total game changer if you hate cluttered drawers. You'll wish you added it sooner when your kitchen feels sleek and functional. Simple to install and stylish to display, it turns storage into decor. Number 16. 𝗧𝗛𝗧𝗘 Premium Garlic Press Set. This garlic press crushes cloves with a quick squeeze, saving time and mess. No more sticky fingers or endless chopping. It's a must-have for garlic lovers. You'll wish you bought it sooner when fresh flavor is just one press away. Durable and easy to clean, it even comes with a cleaning brush for convenience. Number 17. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Good Grips Avocado Slicer. This all-in-one avocado slicer splits, pits, and slices avocados with ease. It's safe, efficient, and easy to use. It's a total game changer if you're tired of messy avocado prep. You'll love how neat and quick guacamole nights become. Dishwasher safe and compact, it's a tool you'll always keep handy. Number 18. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Pineapple Corer Slicer Tool. This pineapple corer slices perfect rings in seconds. Just twist, pull, and enjoy juicy pineapple without the mess. It's a must-have for fruit lovers. You'll wish you had it sooner when cutting pineapples turns from chore to fun. Easy to clean and built to last, it's a gadget that makes summer snacking simple. Number 19. Apple Peeler Corer Slicer with Suction Base. This apple tool peels, cores, and slices apples in one quick motion. It's perfect for pies, snacks, and more. It's a must-have for families or bakers. You'll wish you had it sooner when prep time shrinks dramatically. With a sturdy suction base, it stays put while you work, making it safe and reliable. Number 20. Herb Scissors Set with 5 blades. These herb scissors chop herbs quickly with 5 sharp blades working at once. Say goodbye to endless chopping with a knife. It's a total game changer for anyone who loves fresh herbs. You'll love how it keeps flavors vibrant without bruising the leaves. Easy to clean with the included comb, it's the perfect shortcut for fresh cooking. Number 21. 𝗓𝗡𝗧𝗘 Salad Spinner Vegetable Dryer. This salad spinner quickly washes and dries greens, herbs, and veggies with just a few spins. No more soggy lettuce ruining your salad. It's a must-have for fresh, crisp meals. You'll wish you had it sooner when dinner prep gets faster and tastier. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for healthy eating. Number 22. 𝗡𝗲𝗄𝗡 Vegetable Spiralizer 5-Blade. This spiralizer turns veggies into fun spirals and noodles with 5 interchangeable blades. Perfect for zucchini pasta, curly fries, and more. It's a total game changer for low-carb or creative meals. You'll love how easy it makes healthy cooking feel. Compact and dishwasher safe, it's a gadget that inspires endless recipes. Number 23. Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer. This electric juicer squeezes oranges, lemons, and limes at the press of a button. No more hand cramping, manual juicing. It's a must-have if you love fresh juice daily. You'll wish you had it sooner when breakfast becomes effortless. Quiet, powerful, and easy to clean. It's a countertop essential for citrus lovers. Number 24. 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. This olive oil sprayer evenly mists oil for salads, cooking, or air frying. A healthier way to control portions without waste. It's a must-have for any kitchen. You'll love the sleek design and how evenly it coats your food. Refillable and reusable, it's eco-friendly and stylish enough to leave on the counter. Number 25. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Collapsible Colander Strainer Set. These collapsible strainers save space while making draining pasta, veggies, and fruit super easy. They fold flat for compact storage. It's a total game changer for small kitchens. You'll wish you had them sooner when your cabinets stay clutter-free. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, they combine convenience with durability. Number 26. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Clip-on Silicone Pasta Strainer. This clip-on strainer attaches directly to pots and pans, letting you drain without bulky colanders. Less mess, more efficiency. It's a must-have for pasta nights. You'll love how it frees up sink space while making cooking easier. Made from durable silicone, it's compact, simple, and safe to use on hot pans. Number 27. Ultra Blade Pro Electric Can Opener. This electric can opener opens cans automatically with one push. No twisting, no sharp edges, just smooth lids every time. It's a must-have for convenience. You'll wish you bought it sooner when opening cans becomes effortless. Compact and easy to store, it's a handy tool for all ages. Number 28. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Multi-Jar Opener for Seniors. This multi-purpose jar opener grips lids of all sizes, making stubborn jars easy to twist open. It's a total game changer if you've ever struggled with tight lids. You'll love how it saves your hands and frustration. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's the perfect tool for seniors and anyone who values ease. Number 29. Digital Kitchen Scale Stainless Steel. This digital scale measures ingredients with accuracy for baking, cooking, or portion control. It's sleek, compact, and reliable. It's a must-have if you want recipes to come out perfect. You'll wish you had it sooner when every dish tastes just right. With multiple units and a stainless steel finish, it's practical and modern, based on size. Number 30. Stasher Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags. These silicone bags replace single-use plastics for storing snacks, leftovers, or meal prep. They're leak-proof, durable, and eco-friendly. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to cut down on waste. You'll love how versatile they are for both kitchen and travel. Dishwasher and microwave safe, they're built for everyday convenience. Number 31. Silicone Stretch Lids 14-Pack. These silicone stretch lids cover bowls, cups, and containers of all shapes, sealing in freshness without plastic wrap. Flexible and reusable, they stretch over just about anything. They're a must-have for reducing kitchen waste. You'll wish you had them sooner when leftovers stay fresh longer. Durable, dishwasher-safe, and eco-friendly, they're the smart alternative every home needs. Number 32. Collapsible Measuring Cups and Spoons Set. This collapsible set saves space while giving you all the measuring tools you need for cooking and baking. It's a total game changer for small kitchens. You'll love how it folds flat to tuck neatly into a drawer. Made from durable silicone, they're heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and built to last. Number 33. 𝗡𝗢𝗧𝗘 Microwave Pasta Cooker. This microwave pasta cooker lets you cook, strain, and serve pasta right from one container. No extra pots needed. It's a must-have for busy weeknights. You'll wish you had it sooner when dinner takes minutes instead of hours. Compact and efficient, it's designed for convenience without sacrificing taste. Number 34. Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. This egg cooker boils, poaches, and steams eggs perfectly every time with no guesswork. It's a must-have for quick, protein-packed meals. You'll love how breakfast feels effortless and stress-free. With auto shutoff and compact design, it's simple, safe, and reliable. Number 35. Elite Gourmet Omelet Snack Maker. This gadget whips up fluffy omelets or snack bites in minutes. No stovetop required. It's a total game changer for quick breakfasts and snacks. You'll wish you had it sooner when mornings run smoother. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for dorms, apartments, or busy families. Number 36. Gorilla Grip Stackable Ice Cube Tray Set. These ice trays make it easy to pop out cubes without cracking or twisting. Stackable for freezer organization. It's a must-have for drinks, smoothies, and meal prep. You'll love how effortlessly the cubes release. Durable, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe, they're built for everyday use. Number 37. Reusable Stainless Steel Metal Straws. This set includes reusable straws with cleaning brushes and cases, replacing single-use plastics. It's a total game changer for eco-conscious living. You'll wish you had them sooner for smoothies, iced coffee, and more. Stylish, sturdy, and dishwasher-safe, they're perfect for home or on the go. Number 38. Automatic Touchless Soap Dispenser. This motion sensor soap dispenser delivers soap without touching, keeping your kitchen hygienic and clean. It's a must-have for cooking prep and hand washing. You'll love how it keeps germs at bay. Refillable and sleek, it's a modern upgrade for any sink. Number 39, 𝗡𝗡𝗀𝗡 Automatic Motion Sensor Trash Can. This motion sensor trash can opens with just a wave, making cleanup quick and sanitary. It's a total game changer for meal prep in busy kitchens. You'll wish you had it sooner when cooking feels less messy. With a slim, modern design, it fits perfectly in small spaces. Number 40, Under Cabinet Mug Hooks Organizer Rack. This rack installs under shelves or cabinets, giving you instant storage for mugs and cups. It's a must-have for freeing up cabinet space. You'll love how organized your kitchen feels. Durable and space-saving, it's the perfect storage hack for any coffee lover. Number 41, Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator 4. Pack. This magnetic spice rack sticks right to the side of your fridge, keeping seasonings close at hand. With 4 racks included, you'll finally have a tidy place for jars and bottles. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a clutter-free kitchen. You'll love how easy it makes finding spices while cooking. Durable, strong, and space-saving, it's the storage hack every cook needs. Number 42, Pot Rack Organizer Adjustable Pan Holder. This adjustable pan holder neatly organizes pots, pans, and lids without the stacking chaos. It expands to fit your kitchen needs. It's a total game changer for decluttering cabinets. You'll wish you had it sooner when grabbing cookware takes seconds. Sturdy and versatile, it's designed for lasting convenience. Number 43, LifeWit Adjustable Drawer Dividers. 9. Pack. These dividers transform messy drawers into organized storage, perfect for utensils, gadgets, or even junk drawers. They're a must-have for creating order in busy kitchens. You'll love how every item has its place. Expandable and easy to install, they make organization effortless. Number 44, 𝗧𝗛𝗡 Spice Rack with 36 jars. This complete spice rack set comes with 36 jars, labels, and a sleek stand to organize everything. It's a must-have for serious cooks. You'll love how it takes your spice collection from chaos to professional level neatness. Stylish and practical, it's the perfect blend of function and design. Number 45, 𝗡𝗢𝗡 10-Pack Fridge Organizer Bins. These clear storage bins keep your fridge organized, making it easy to see and grab what you need. They're a total game changer for reducing food waste. You'll wish you had them sooner when grocery items stop getting lost in the back. Durable and stackable, they keep your fridge looking clean and efficient. Number 46, 95 kPa Automatic Vacuum Sealer Machine. This vacuum sealer locks in freshness for meats, veggies, and leftovers with airtight bags. It's a must-have for meal prepping and saving money. You'll love how your food stays fresh for weeks instead of days. Compact and powerful, it's designed to fit right into your routine. Number 47, Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer Pressure Cooker. This multi-function Instant Pot combines pressure cooking, air frying, and more in one powerhouse appliance. It's a total game changer for busy families. You'll wish you had it sooner when meals go from complex to quick and delicious. Versatile and easy to use, it replaces several gadgets at once. Number 48, Renook Non-Stick Grill Mat and of 6. These grill mats let you cook without food sticking or falling through the grates. Perfect for BBQs or indoor grills. They're a must-have for making cleanup a breeze. You'll love how grilling feels easier and mess-free. Reusable and dishwasher safe, they're built for convenience and fun cooking. Number 49, Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Frying Pan. This cast iron frying pan delivers even heating for perfect sears, fries, and bakes. It's a must-have for serious cooking. You'll wish you had it sooner when your meals come out restaurant quality. Durable and timeless, it's a piece every kitchen should own. Number 50, Reusable Silicone Air Fryer Liners 2-Pack. These silicone liners fit inside air fryers, protecting the basket and making cleanup simple. They're a total game changer for anyone who loves air frying. You'll love how food doesn't stick and scrubbing becomes history. Heat-resistant and reusable, they're the eco-friendly upgrade every air fryer needs. And there you have it, 50 must-have kitchen gadgets that make cooking, cleaning, and organizing easier than ever. Whether you're a home chef or just love smart solutions, these finds are total game changers. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorites. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you never miss more genius Amazon finds. Until next time, happy cooking!